What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage and another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, we're gonna talk about wrenches. Alright guys, so I got a good little package here from Milwaukee Tool. Huge shout out to these guys. We are going to be doing a giveaway of some of these coming up soon, so keep an eye out for that. I will post it up on Instagram and I'll also make a mention in a video. But ooh, look at it, look at this. All right, so we got some new wrenches. Now these aren't just any kind of regular wrenches. These are ratcheting wrenches, which I use a ton. If you guys do not have a set of ratcheting wrenches, I highly recommend to pick them up. Now, I've been using some like just Harbor Freight ratcheting wrenches and they work fine, but you know, they could be of better quality. The anodizing kind of chips off and they're not the best, but they do definitely work. However, these ones are gonna be pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and rip this open. Okay. So what's cool about these? Oh yeah, that is much tighter from what I could see on these Harbor Freights. Let's see. And that. Oh yeah, this is much more precise right here. Now they only are one direction, so depending on what you do, you got to either flip it forward or backwards, for tightening or for loosening, whatever you want to do. So this is kind of huge too. Most wrenches just kind of have this like rounded back half of the mouth, whereas these ones, as you can see, it is super square, which is going to help you get extra deep to grip onto those bolts even better, or those nuts, whatever you're trying to grip onto. But that is super cool. It also has just a little bit of nerdling in the inside there, I guess I would call it. That actually helps you get 25% more torque onto a bolt, which is pretty dang amazing. It's actually pretty freaking sweet. So wow, oh yeah, so that's 2.5 degrees of arc angle. Boom. That's this week's tool. These things help get you out of a bind so much. When you're in there, you know, you don't want to like flop forward, backwards. It's really nice to have a ratcheting wrench as you can get into tighter places. So these are really nice. They feel really good, pretty heavy duty, very cool. And best thing of all, this can slide right into your toolbox as is, which keeps it very nicely organized. So this is the SAE set. I need to get a metric set also, but yeah, I mean, as you can see, boom, you got your 1 inch, you got your 5/16, 7/8, 3/16, 3/4, 11/16, all the wrenches in there, you know, and this helps them keep very nicely organized, which is super cool. So that is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. Let me know what kind of wrenches get you guys out of a bind. If you guys have some ratcheting wrenches, or if you like, you know, something else. Sometimes the stubby versions of these are good, and also the ones with the articulating heads. Those are freaking sweet as well. So yeah, drop down below guys if you have another tool you want me to do. We'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on guys.